Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Let's get ready for our morning meeting. Hopefully you did your calendars and your calendar notebooks yesterday on your own, and we're all caught up. So get out your April calendar, please, and take a look and make sure you're all caught up. Now, let's make sure. So yesterday, we will check our calendar. Yesterday was Wednesday. It was our month of April, and it was the 8th. So make sure your calendar is all set up with Wednesday, April 8th. That's awesome, which brings us to today. I already just said to you before, what day is today? Thursday. It's already Thursday. These weeks are going by so fast. Today's Thursday. What month is it? April. And if yesterday was the 8th, what day of the week is today? What date is today? The 9th. Awesome. And how do you make a 9th? Just a number 9. A circle and a line. That's the way I make a 9. Awesome. So on your calendar, next to the number 8 and below the number 2, write in the 9 for the 9th. And I am going to find 9 in my basket and update our calendar as well. Okay, here we go. Today is, ready, do it with me, and then you're going to do it on your own. Here you go. Today is Thursday, April 9th. Very good. One more time. Today is, good job, another day. Okay, pointer power. Let's do our days of the week. You use the top of your calendar and I'll point over here. We start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Awesome. Today is, what did we just say? If you forget, check your calendar. Today is Thursday. Good job. Now, if today is Thursday, what was yesterday? What comes before Thursday? Yesterday was Wednesday. And what will tomorrow be? What comes after Thursday? Tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. Tomorrow, Friday, we'll be together and we'll do our Zoom call together for our morning meeting live. Tomorrow is a shorter day for our learning. It is an early day. We'll be done around 1 o'clock. And then on Monday and Tuesday of next week, we're taking a little break from school and from learning for spring break. So we're finishing up early on Friday. We've got our weekend and no school Monday or Tuesday. So we're going to have a little break before we come back and learn again on Wednesday. Okay, so let's flip on over. I think our calendar's good. Flip on over to the weather graph. Boy, we've had some nice weather lately. It's been sunny and warm. I hope you've gotten outside a lot and gotten some fresh air and took some walks. But now, take a peek out your window. What are you seeing today? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Are we lucky enough to have another sunny day? See what's outside of your window and color that in your weather graph. Just one rectangle. Color that in. Tomorrow during our Zoom morning meeting when we're all together, I'll ask somebody to count what kind of weather you have on your weather graph, okay? So make sure you're ready with that. Good job. Oh, before we do that, I almost forgot. I hope nobody forgets. We can't with this beautiful weather. What is the season? I can't hear you, everybody. What is our season? Spring. Good job. I don't want anyone to forget that it is springtime. Good. Okay, let's get to our calendar notebooks. Take out your calendar notebooks. Open up to the second page. Again, hopefully you've got everything updated from yesterday. So, yesterday, how many days were we learning? How many days were we in school learning yesterday? 138. 138. 138. Awesome. We're learning one more day. So what's one more than 138? What comes after 138? 139. Awesome. And what's a 139 look like? A 1, a 3, and a 9. Awesome. Find 139 in your calendar notebook, and I'm going to trace it along with you. And I'm going to take my 9, and I'm going to change it in the ones place, right? For 138, I'm taking away that 8, and I'm putting a 9 in the ones place. 139. Awesome. Okay, let's talk about our straws. We've got one big bundle of 100 for 139. One bundle of 100. How many 10s do we have? How many 10s? Good. We have 3 bundles of 10. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 10s for 139. And let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh, that was yesterday was 138. What's today? 139. How many ones should I have? I should have 9 ones. So if I have 8, I'm going to add 1 more, and 8 plus 1 equals 9. Awesome. Very exciting. Think about it. What are we going to be doing with our straws during our morning meeting tomorrow? Think about what our number is. Think about the straws. We have 9 straws right now. So get ready to think about that and answer my question tomorrow when we're all together live. Awesome. Okay. Flip on over to your 10 frames, everybody. Let's make sure we've got the right numbers, that you're all up to date, and let's count by 10s. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138. That last 10 frame should have 8 ones in it for 138 altogether. But we need to get to 139, so what are we doing? You're right, color in 1 more, and now you should have 9 squares colored in that 10 frame. How many more until you finish up that 10 frame? Good, 1 more. Tomorrow, I think we're going to be finishing up that 10 frame. Excellent work. I have our how many days we've been in school chart here, and I'm also going to add 1 yellow star sticker to that chart so that we can make sure we're also keeping track that we've been in school learning 139 days. Even though we're not together in the classroom doesn't mean that we're still not doing school and we're not learning. So it's important that we keep track of our days. How many days of school altogether? How many days do we need to go to school altogether? Do you remember? 180. Awesome. So maybe tomorrow we'll try and figure out how many days left of school we have until summer break too. Okay, flip on over to your sneakers. Let's talk about odd or even. 139 is how many days we've been in school. Is 139 odd or is it even? It is an odd number, you're right. And I hope that you looked at the number 9 in the ones place. We always look, no matter how big the number is, we're always looking at the ones place for us to figure out if it's odd or even. And 9 is odd. Good job. Color in 1 sneaker on your calendar notebook, and it should be all by itself because 139 is odd. Good job. Okay, tally mark time. Tally marks help us count by 5s. You're right. Okay, let's see where we are for yesterday and make sure we're all caught up. Okay, I'm going to count, and I hope that you're counting with me at home. Practice, practice. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 136, 137, 138. Whew, we made it. That's tiring. Okay, so you should have all 3 of those rows with your doors shut, and we have 1 box with 3 tally marks. Altogether, 138. How are we getting to 139? You're right, add 1 more. And now in that tally mark box, if I had 3 and I added 1 more, how many should I have now? 4 in that last tally mark box. Good job. Think about it. What are we going to do tomorrow? I think you're right. With our tally marks, we've got something exciting to do tomorrow. Good job. I think we are set with our calendar and our calendar notebook. Oh, you can flip over to that second page if you need your chart to help you figure out for our number of the day. So get your number mysteries paper out and pick a new box. And let me think about it. Yesterday's number of the day, you should have done 52. 52. So, let me think. Megan, do you want to pick the number of the day?
Yes, please.
Okay, Megan, what are you thinking of for number of the day?
Have we used anything in the 90s?
We did. We just did 90 the other day.
Okay. Do we do anything in the 30s?
We've done something in all of the different tens numbers, so just
Okay.
pick anything.
I'm going to pick 19.
19. Let me make sure we haven't done it before. We have not. And the teen numbers are tricky, so that's a good one. Megan, how do they make a 19?
A 1 and a 9.
Awesome. Megan, teen numbers. What does a teen number always start with? What number?
A 1.
Very good. So Megan would like you to do the number of the day to be 19, a 1 and a 9. So write that in your number mysteries paper inside of a gray box. And again, either later on or just take a pause of the video now, put what's 1 more than 19, 1 less than 19, 10 less than 19, 10 more than 19. Good job. Don't forget those tricks that we've done in the classroom about what the numbers should look like in the tens place, what the numbers should look like in the ones place, and we check it to make sure that our answers are right. Good job. Okay, last but not least is our sight word. You guys have been doing awesome doing your sight words of the day. We have done be, me, she, and he. Wow, that's 4 rhyming words. He, be, she, and me. Yesterday's sight word of the day, I hope you practiced and practiced, was they. Tap it out. T-H-E, oops, I ran out of room on my arm. Let me try again. T-H-E-Y, they. Awesome. So today is another new sight word. And do you think it's going to be an easy or a hard sight word? Do you think it's going to be a fun or a boring sight word? Can you take a guess at what our sight word is? It's or. Very good. Spell it for me. O-R, or. Excellent. And I've got our sight word of the day song ready to go. Hopefully it will hang up there for us, and sing it with me. Ready? There was a sight word of the day, and or was our sight word. O-R, or, O-R, or, O-R, or, and or was our sight word. One more time, a little louder. There was a sight word of the day, and or was our sight word. O-R, or, O-R, or, and or was our sight word. Excellent. So that's 6 sight words. If we need to learn 8 sight words, how many more do we have left? Just 2 more new sight words for April. We're almost close. Okay, keep practicing your sight words. Keep working hard with all your work, sending me those awesome pictures, and I will see you on Friday for our morning meeting all together. Bye, boys and girls. Have a great day.